Hi, want to know how to grow your YouTube channel? Here are top 3 ways. Number 1. Create videos around a single niche. Building your video around a single topic or keyword is the best way to drive traffic and grow your YouTube audience. It's essential to pick your niche and research keyword to construct the best information around the specific topic. Number 2. Always engage with your audience. Being a social media channel, engaging with your audience and responding to their comments and discussion is very important. This will let YouTube know that you're actively listening to your audience and will eventually help your channel grow. Number 3. Start promoting your YouTube channel on other social media platforms. One of the easiest way to grow your audience and channel is to make use of other social media platforms. Facebook, Instagram and TikTok are the top social media platforms you can use to promote your content and will eventually help your channel to get more exposure. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more updates.